Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to link offline media in Resolve. When your media appears offline, it usually means the original files have been moved or renamed since they were imported. Resolve indicates this by showing a red Media Offline screen on your clips. Don't worry, this is a common issue, and relinking is a straightforward process. We will go through the steps to quickly reconnect your project to its source material, ensuring your edits are complete. The most common way to relink is through the media pool. Simply right-click on any offline clip within the media pool. From the menu that appears, choose the Link Media option. A new window will prompt you to browse for your missing files. Navigate to the folder where your original media is stored, and Resolve will intelligently locate and reconnect all related clips, saving you a lot of time. Sometimes, you might notice an offline clip directly on your timeline. You can right-click this clip and select Find in Media Pool. This will highlight the corresponding clip in your media pool. If it's still showing as offline there, you can then right-click it in the media pool and choose Link Media, just as we discussed. This approach is particularly handy when dealing with just one or two specific missing files. To prevent future headaches, always use Resolve's media management features when importing. It's best practice to consolidate or copy all your media into a dedicated project folder. Once imported, avoid moving, renaming, or deleting your original source files. Establishing a consistent workflow and regularly backing up your project and media assets will significantly reduce the chances of encountering offline media issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.